Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Theory Tuition series. Over the next few weeks I'm going to be taking a closer look at intervals. If you're working towards an ABRSM exam or you want to find some further examples to work on this topic, I covered this subject in the videos for ABRSM grades 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in particular sections in increasing difficulty. You can find the links to those videos in the description below and also in the cards. There are lots of resources available to help you on my website. If you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDFs and all the information that you need appropriate to each of the grades can be found in those PDFs. You can download those in US letter or A4. And also on my website, you can find links to the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM music theory exam. It's full of tips and hints on how to best prepare for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time on exam day when you're working through your paper. So if you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find it all there. If you can give me a like, that would be really super, and subscribe to my channel to keep updated. And now we're going to have a look at the interval of a fourth. Now the fourth interval, the interval of a fourth I should say, first of all, we can see we're counting up the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. We always count on the first and count that as number 1. And if you just sketch out the letter names C, D, E, F, you can see we've stepped through 4 degrees of the scale, so we would say that was an interval of a fourth. However, fourths are not ever referred to as major or minor. There's no such thing as a minor fourth or a major fourth. They always start off in their unaltered form as perfect. So that's a perfect fourth. Now the reason for that sort of lies way back in antiquity. In medieval music it was referred to as a perfect consonance. It was considered the most pure sound, and interestingly enough later on it was shown that the sound waves, the frequency of the sound waves completed a whole number. It was sort of a perfect number for a sound wave in the harmonic frequency. Now fourths, fifths and octaves are all perfect for that very reason, and they were favoured in medieval music. However, from the 1600s onwards we sort of decided that that sound, that pure open sound, was too bare for harmony, and so we changed calling it a perfect consonant and we just refer to them now as perfect intervals. So we start from this basis of a perfect fourth. There is no major, there is no minor. However, we can still adjust these intervals by semitones. So if you see on the piano keyboard, here we have C, D, E, F. There's our perfect fourth. Even if you don't play piano, it's good to just visualise on a piano keyboard. You can always just sketch one out quickly. It doesn't have to be a work of art. Now we can make that interval smaller, and we're going straight from perfect to diminished because there is no minor. And we can do that by lowering the top note, and so we'll be flattening the F. So F flat, so C to F flat is a diminished fourth because we've made the perfect interval smaller by a semitone. So let's just see a few other examples. So there's our fourth, our perfect fourth, and we'll see how we can adjust that. Now we can also make this smaller. We can diminish this perfect fourth, and instead of lowering the top note, if we raise the bottom note, you can see we've diminished that interval, we've shrunk that interval by a semitone, and so C sharp to F is a perfect fourth made smaller, which is a diminished fourth again. Now then we can make that perfect fourth larger. So if we're looking, here's our C to F, that's our perfect. If we raise the F by a sharp, we've opened that interval up, we've augmented that interval. And so an augmented fourth would be C to F sharp. So that's an augmented fourth. And then again we can do that by stretching the interval another way. And so instead of C to F, or C to F sharp to augment it, if we augment it by lowering that bottom note, C to C flat, so C flat to F. Now don't be confused by changing it enharmonically. You can't think B to F because that's not the case. We're still on this C line here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're only working through 4 letter names, and so that's an augmented fourth. It's nothing to do with B at all. It's a C flat because we've lowered the C harmonically by a semitone. So that gives us an augmented fourth as well. So hopefully that's helped you to clarify the topic of the intervals of a perfect fourth. If you want to find some more practice in this subject, if you want to do a little bit more revision, you'll find the links to further videos in the description below and also in the cards. Do visit sharonbill.com and make use of all of the resources and information there to help you. Please give me a like, that would be really fab, and subscribe to my channel to keep updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.